Hey guys, welcome to another reading. Let's do our daily energy check for our masculine and feminine energies. Let's see what are the overall energies between the two of them. Remembrance, wedding bells, my other soul. Beautiful energies today. On the rebound, they both are wanting and keen on coming back to each other. So there is a lot of missing energy today. They both want to be together. They both feel like this person is the other soul uh, that is for me. I want to connect with them. There is I don't know, one of them or both of them are kind of thinking about being together in a committed relationship. Some of them wanting to be married together. For some of you, there is a possibility that you are married to each other. But there is a lot of memories that are distracting, your day-to-day work for both of you. But there is a lot of remembrance towards each other is what I see here. Let's see what's going on with the feminine today. What is going on with the feminine today? We have Heart, Rider, Garden, Mountains, and the Sun. Okay, trying to get past certain obstacles. She is in a loving energy today for sure. She is probably traveling or going out somewhere, meeting people. There is some sort of communication that is happening. It could be a communication coming up if the feminine is looking at a job or something like that. There could be something around that, or a visitor. But generally a happy energy. Yes, there are certain blockages where you feel a little gloomy, but overall it's a good energy. Let's see what are the feminine's energies towards the masculine. What are the feminine's energies towards the masculine at this point? Queen of Pentacles, Five of Wands, Four of Wands. There is a sense of insecurity. There is this conflict that is going on in her mind where she's thinking, should I wait here or should I move on? It's a very closed off energy generally, where you don't want to open up, you don't want to express anything. All right. Feeling heavy about something, carrying something from the past. So there could be certain incidents, certain moments which she's carrying along with her in her energy. Okay, let's see what are the feminine's intentions towards the masculine today. Two of Cups, wanting a union. Three of Cups, celebration and karma. She wants to be with the masculine. She wants to come back together. She wants to go out, party, whatever it is, but wanting a reconnection here. She wants a resurrection of the connection. There is a sense where there is this deep knowing that this is the person I'm connected with several via several past lifetimes. This is the person I have a deep connection with. Okay, let's see what else. Strength. Eight of Wands. Her intention is to communicate. Her intention is to communicate with compassion and love. She also wants to, again, Ten of Wands. So she wants to set the burdens down. She wants to bring a little happy energy is what I'm seeing here. Okay, what is it that the feminine wants to tell the masculine at this point? I want a fresh start with Ace of Wands, Six of Swords, again, getting out of the difficult situation, and Four of Swords, wanting some sort of a peace, peaceful energy. She wants the masculine to know that she's trying to contemplate about what to do, but at the same time wanting to have a new beginning, wanting to get past any obstacles that both of them have been facing here. Let's see what are the messages. What are the messages from the feminine's higher self for the masculine right now? You don't know how hard it was to let you go. So it wasn't difficult to disconnect, but she felt that she had to, is the reason she did. So it wasn't an easy process. I'm afraid to contact you. So maybe there is something that is going on in her mind which is burdening her, and that is probably the blockages that we saw initially. There is this intention, there is this want, desire to communicate, but then at the same time, there is this fear which is holding her back from communicating. I regret lying to you. Maybe she has lied to the masculine about something, or did not tell him about something. I lost myself for a little while. So maybe she did certain things where she feels that, this is not how I should have gone ahead with this particular action, words, something around those lines. All right, let's see what are the masculine's energies. What are the masculine's energies at this point? Heart. Both of them got a heart. The man. Mice. Letter. And whip. There is some sort of struggle. So masculine could be waiting for some sort of news or letter information. There is anxiety here with the mice. Something is eating up the masculine in his heart space, maybe even mind space. This is an official document, the letter. I don't know if there is some sort of promotion or an appraisal or something that the masculine is waiting, but there is some sort of conflict around it. And that is probably causing some sort of anxiety or stress to the masculine here. Let's see what are masculine's energies towards the feminine. What are the masculine's energies towards the feminine? What can we know? 10 of Pentacles. There is Page of Pentacles and 10 of Cups. So the masculine's energies towards the feminine, he sees a future with her. He sees her as somebody who fulfills all his wishes. Who is this person he wants to be together? It's that family kind of an energy, like I said, for 10 of Pentacles. 10 of Pentacles and 10 of Cups. Both are about completion. It's like, this rainbow that they create together. At the same time, he also knows that he has not been doing enough, or he has not offered enough with this Page of Pentacles. He kept showing, it's like, you are constantly representing yourself as somebody who's willing to offer something, but he did not really offer it. He kept putting up these boundaries. He knows that in his energies. All right, but the energies are very nice, where there is this love and affection which is growing constantly. Let's see what are the masculine's intentions towards the feminine at this point. King of Cups, again beautiful energy. 8 of Wands and 7 of Pentacles. So his intention, he also wants to communicate, but something stops him. There is a lot of love with this King of Cups. This is an energy where you're so connected with your emotions. This is an emotionally mature energy that knows what needs to be done, what is happening, wanting to communicate with that 8 of Wands. But then there is 7 of Pentacles, which kind of puts a little bit of break. So the masculine is like, I've planted the seeds. I need to just hang in there. I need to wait. I cannot take any action right now. Knight of Pentacles being the underlying energy. It's a painfully slow energy which is almost stagnant. But so why it's slow is because he knows that whenever he comes forward, he needs to bring some sort of something solid to the table. He cannot keep going back and forth, and that's the reason he cannot be Page of Pentacles anymore. He has to come up in his King of Cups avatar. He knows that, and that's the reason he's holding back here. Let's see what is it that the masculine wants the feminine to know at this point. Ace of Pentacles, he wants new beginning too. Six of Wands and the World. He's feeling lonely. He's feeling abandoned by the feminine as well. Energetically, probably the feminine has retracted her energies, is the reason he's feeling that way. But he wants her to know that he's very focused on his work right now. There is something new that could be coming up in his life, which is something that takes him forward somewhere. And he's waiting for that completion to happen. For some of you, I feel the masculine is just telling you that there is a new beginning coming. This chapter will get closed and you both will be together again. Let's see what other messages from the masculine's higher self. What are the messages from the masculine's higher self for the feminine? What can we know? I wonder if you're happy without me, because you have pulled back the energy. He cannot sense you anymore. He's wondering if you're happy or not, or if it's, just him who's feeling that way. It was my fault, but I blamed you. He knows that he has been messing up. He knows that he is the one who has brought this connection to a point where you are questioning it, and there is this disconnect between the two of you, and you grew apart in some way. He kept blaming you by gaslighting you. All right, let's see. We need to let each other go. At this point, he doesn't think that he's able to, come forward with anything. So it's, again, he will take time. I don't see him coming forward very soon for this collective. I bury myself in work to forget you. He's constantly thinking about you. He wants to be with you, but then at the same time, he's not at that point where he's willing to give you the commitment, the consistency that you are seeking here. And that's the reason he feels that, we have to stay apart, and he needs to take his time to figure things out before he can reach out to you, because he doesn't want to put you through the same energy again, probably. So yeah, that was the reading, guys. Thank you for watching.